Hi there! I just got a box from my first sponsor. One of my sponsors sent me a box of art supplies. I thought they would send me a small box, but let me show you how big it is. This big. So I'm going to do an unboxing of it. I think it's my first unboxing video. So I'm as excited as you are to see what's in this box. Let's take a look. This is like another Christmas. Second Christmas. Or maybe my first, because I didn't get any Christmas presents. There's not many. So this might be my Christmas present. And yours, of course, because it will be used to make the challenges. Let's see. Ta-da! Lots of small things and a bunch of plastic, I think. Let's get rid of the plastic first. Look at all the goodies! There's a catalog of classic watercolors. Let's see, a pack of, what is this? I have no clue what's in this. Where did I put the scissors? Where did I put the scissors? There. Let's see what this is. Free sample oil color. Let's see what's inside one of these. It's tiny oil tubes. These are... I might have to bring my glasses. Schwenningen Yellow Light. That's that. I'm going to grab my glasses in case something is even smaller because that wasn't easy to read. Those are my glasses. Let's see what color this is. This is Schwenningen Blue. If I get a red, I have everything I need to make art. Let's see. Yes, it's a red. It is Old Holland Magenta. That was those. Let's see what this is. This is Watercolor Blending Medium from Windsor and Newton. That's a brand you've heard of at least. This is Artist's Picture Cleaner from Windsor and Newton. I'm going to leave a link to the people who sent me this in the description. And I'm also going to put up some kind of thank you sign at the end of the video because I love this. Thickened Linseed Oil from Windsor and Newton. A pack of 3. I think they want me to paint in oils. See what it says. Oh, can't see. I have to open it. This is also thickened linseed oil, and it's 4 of them. I'm going to have a lot of linseed oil, more thickened linseed oil. I'm going to have very a lot of linseed oil. Oh, I can't see what it says. I have to open it. to see what it is. I think it's varnish. I took 1.5 years in German, but it's forever ago. Oh, Varnish Remover is it. Varnish and Fana is what it says on it. So I just had to sort my German out. Varnish Remover, 5 of those. I think these are more oil colors. Mixed white, purple brown, rose deep, oh dear, I can't read that. Why did you put all these plastic? What does it say? Cobalt yellow and a bunch of old Holland blue. So I think there are 5 to 11 boxes of those small tubes. What do we have here? Gouache. 2 tubes of black gouache from Dale Rowney. Designer's gouache. And a pack of 3 of the same behind, but I don't know if it's black, so I'm going to have to open it. Lots of prezzies for you and for me. There are 2 tubes of black, and this is, let's see. I was thinking of using more gouache anyway, so this is great. Come on. 3 tubes inside here of something that I can't get out of the box. Come on! Yeah, lamp black, that too. So 5 tubes of black gouache. Might have to do some line art with that. This is artist grade watercolors, always nice to get. Let's see, take a closer look because I want to see what colors they are. This is burnt sienna, 3 tubes. Let's see, what does this say? I have to open and take a look. More burnt sienna. Thinking of something in sepia, or sort of sepia. And more burnt sienna. So 9 tubes of artist grade watercolors in burnt sienna. And this is watercolor tubes. This is fun. I love these things. I hope I get more boxes. Or he said he was going to send me another box, but I hope the other sponsors send me boxes too. Hansa yellow medium, 2 tubes. Hansa yellow medium, 3. And Hansa yellow medium. So I have 9, 10, 11 tubes of Hansa yellow medium. Might have to paint some flowers. What's this then? Thickened linseed oil. Thickened linseed oil. I told him to send me stuff that was surplus, that they had more than enough of. So, ooh, this sounds exciting. What can this be? It's repackaged, so I can't see on the outside what it is, so I'm going to have to open it. Come on! Lots of little paint pots. Oh, there. Now you can see. Lots of little paint pots that you can stick to your palette. They have this clamp underneath. this then? Sienna artist grade oil color. It looks like a big tube. Big tube of Windsor Newton burnt sienna. And there are more of these tube boxes down here, so I'm going to have to look at them all. Burnt sienna. Burnt sienna. Burnt sienna. These will be absolutely fantastic for... I have one challenge where you'll use your least favorite color, and mine's brown, and I have a ton of brown. So those will be great for that. This is also artist oil color, a sap green. I use a lot of sap green, although I don't use oil much, but this will be fantastic for landscapes. What's this then? This is a pencil brush case, I think. A travel brush case, I believe. Should be something like that. I'm not quite sure. Maybe you know. It's a Da Vinci brush display. Here is a wooden box with metal. Ooh, a nice brush. Square brush. Size 14. Size 14 square brush for acrylics from Da Vinci. That's very, very nice. I'm going to use that a lot. I think it's a brush box because more of them. Yeah, more brush boxes. Good for storage. More of those wooden brush boxes. Very nice quality, and they look great. I'm going to see if I can see the manufacturer for these ones, since there was a paper in here. It's a Da Vinci wooden brush box. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those wooden boxes, and 2 of the plastic ones, all from Da Vinci. And I think that's it for this box. I'm looking forward to when the next one shows up. And I want to say a big, huge thank you to Sjöberg. Let's see if I can find the official name on this. Sjöberg Bilde och Ramme. They sent me this. It's a Norwegian art supply store. So they sent me this lovely box of stuff that I can guarantee will be used. All of it may not be used by me because of the sheer amount of, for example, linseed oil and varnish remover, but it will be used. It will not be thrown away, and it will not be sold either. That's not why I do this. If I do anything else with this other than use it myself for the challenges and for artwork, it will be to, for example, do a giveaway or donate to one of those day centers where they have activities for disabled people, or something related to kids. Something like that. I'm not going to sell it. I'm not going to throw it away. I will be using it or giving it away. So that's my unboxing. And I was right. It felt like my Christmas. So thank you for watching, and hit subscribe, click the little bell so you know when I post a new one. Like, share, subscribe, click the bell so you get a notification. Make sure to keep an eye out for Saturday when the next art challenge shows up. And until next time, bye bye.